Hello everyone. Today we are going to study bookkeeping and accountancy class 12th non-trading institutions and the recipient payment account prepared by this type of institution. So, what is recipient payment account? Recipient payment account is that type of account which is prepared to record all the cash receipt and cash payment during the year. The definition of it is also given in the PDF which is provided to you previously. And this is also called a summary of cash account. And this only is used to record the cash receipt or cash payment. And all the cash receipt and all the cash payment are recorded in a summarized form. That's why it is also called a summary of cash book. Now it calculates the cash balance or cash in hand. Means the balance of this account is called cash balance. Cash balance or cash in hand at the ending of the year. This account is prepared only in the ending of year. What are the features of this account? Let us know. First is it is a type of real account. Why it is called real account? Because it is related to cash and cash is a real asset. So it is a real account. It is related to recording the cash incoming and cash outgoing, cash receipt and cash payments. There are two sides in this account. The debit side is related to receipts and the credit side is related to payment. In the debit side, this side is used to record the receipts of cash and credit side is used to record the cash payments. And when the difference of debit and credit side is calculated, there is always the excess of debit side than credit side, because the cash incoming is always excess than cash outgoing. We cannot expend much more in cash than we receive in cash. So the cash payment is always less than cash receipt. That's why the debit side always excess and the balance is called the cash balance. The balance or the difference of both debit and credit side. Balance means the difference of debit and credit side. The total of debit side minus the total of credit side is called the balance, and this balance is the cash balance at the end of the year. No any type of adjustment is made in this account, just like the outstanding or any type of accrued income, they are not recorded in this account. Only the receipts, cash received during the year or cash payment during the year are recorded in this account. Now next topic is, what is the difference in receipt and payment and cash book? Let us know what is the difference in receipt and payment and cash book. First is meaning. The detailed difference is also given in the PDF which is already given to you, and now I am explaining it, the meaning. In the receipt and payment account, we record the on yearly basis. We record yearly total cash received and yearly total cash payment of different headings. But in cash book, the date wise or daily records are made. For example, when we paid salary to any employee, it is paid for 12 months. So every month it is recorded in cash book. But in receipt and payment account, the total salary of 12 months, suppose it is 1000 per month, then it is recorded 1000 as 12 time in cash book. But if in receipt and payment account when we record, then it is 1000 into 12, total 12,000 is recorded only one time in receipt and payment account, means total amount is written at the end of the year in one heading. Second is summary. The receipt and payment account is summary of cash book. It is the summarized system of cash book, but cash book is not summary. It have a separate existence. The transaction are recorded in chronological record or date wise record in the cash book. Next one is preparation. In receipt and payment account, it is prepared only by non-trading institution. But the cash book, it is prepared by all type of institution, whether it is trading institution, non-trading institution, anyone. Next topic is basis for. The receipt and payment account helps as a basis for preparing income and expenditure account. But cash book helps as a basis for receipt and payment account, means on the basis of cash book we prepare receipt and payment account, and on the basis of receipt and payment we prepare income and expenditure account. And the last one is balance calculation. The balance or difference of receipt and payment account is prepared only once in the year or end of the year. But the balance of cash book or difference of debit and credit side is sought out every day or every month, means it is calculated many times during the year.